Feeling is the secret is a powerful idea that can change your life. It means that your feelings are the key to creating the life you want. This concept suggests that what you feel inside shapes what happens outside in your world. It's not just about positive thinking, but about truly feeling the emotions of your desires as if they're already real. This approach can help you attract good things, overcome challenges, and live a happier life. Let's explore what this really means and how you can use it to improve your life. Let's look right into the heart of what feeling is the secret really means and how you can use this knowledge to create the life you've always dreamed of. Your inner world creates your outer reality. What you feel inside has a big impact on what happens in your life. Your emotions aren't just reactions to events, they actually help create those events. When you feel happy, confident, or successful, you're more likely to notice opportunities and act in ways that bring good things to you. On the other hand, feeling sad, worried, or doubtful can lead to missed chances and negative outcomes. By understanding this, you can start to take control of your life by managing your feelings. Your brain is always working to prove your feelings right. If you feel like you're unlucky, you'll notice all the bad things that happen and overlook the good. But if you feel fortunate, you'll see all the ways things work out in your favor. This doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather choosing to focus on solutions and possibilities. By doing this, you train your mind to find ways to make your positive feelings come true in real life. This idea can be life-changing because it puts you in charge. Instead of feeling like a victim of circumstances, you become the creator of your experiences. It's like having a superpower, the ability to shape your reality through your feelings. This doesn't mean everything will instantly go your way, but it does mean you have more influence over your life than you might have thought. Feeling it real, the power of emotional imagination. Feeling it real means using your imagination to create the emotions you would have if your dreams came true. It's not just about picturing what you want, it's about feeling it with all your heart. For example, if you want a loving relationship, don't just think about it. Instead, feel the warmth, happiness, and love you would experience in that relationship. Make it so real in your mind that your body responds as if it's happening now. This practice can be powerful because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a real experience and one that's vividly imagined. When you create these feelings, your subconscious starts to believe that this is your reality. It then works to make your outer world match these inner feelings. This isn't magic. It's about training your mind to recognize and create opportunities that align with your desires. Doing this regularly can change how you think and act. You might find yourself feeling more confident, making different choices, or noticing opportunities you would have missed before. It's like planting a seed in your mind. With regular emotional watering, that seed can grow into real changes in your life. Your feelings are like a language. Your feelings communicate with the world around you in a way that goes beyond words. They send out a kind of energy that affects how people and situations respond to you. When you feel fearful or angry, you might notice that people are less friendly or helpful. But when you feel open and kind, you often get a more positive response from others. This language of feelings works in bigger ways too. It's like you're sending out a signal to the universe about what you expect in life. If you constantly feel worried about money, you might keep experiencing financial problems. But if you cultivate a feeling of abundance and gratitude, you may start to see more financial opportunities. Learning to speak this language of feelings takes practice. It means being aware of how you feel and choosing to focus on positive emotions, even when things are tough. This doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather facing them with a feeling of capability and hope. As you get better at this, you may notice that life seems to flow more smoothly and that good things happen more often. The power of now in shaping your future. The present moment is where all your power lies. It's easy to get caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future, but the only time you can actually change anything is right now. This moment is where you can choose your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's where you can decide to align with your dreams or stay stuck in old patterns. When you focus on the present, you tap into a great source of energy and clarity. You're not weighed down by past mistakes or future worries. Instead, you're fully engaged with what's happening right now. This allows you to make better decisions and respond to life with wisdom rather than reacting from old habits. Moreover, the present moment is where you can feel your desired reality most vividly. When you bring your full attention to the now, you can more easily access the feelings of joy, success, or love that you want to experience. You're not waiting for some future event to feel good. You're choosing to feel good right now, and that feeling, held in the present moment, becomes a powerful attractor for your desires. Changing your self-image changes your life. How you see yourself plays a big role in shaping your reality. If you see yourself as someone who always struggles or isn't good enough, that's the kind of life you'll create. But here's the amazing thing. You have the power to change how you see yourself at any moment. Start by noticing how you think about yourself. What stories do you tell about who you are and what you can do? Are these stories helping you or holding you back? Once you're aware of your current self-image, you can begin to consciously choose a new one. Think about the version of yourself that has already achieved your dreams. How does this version of you think, feel, and act? As you consistently hold this new self-image in your mind and heart, you'll start to notice changes in your behavior and the results you get in life. You'll find yourself naturally taking actions that match this new version of you. Opportunities that fit this new self-image will start to appear. It's not magic, it's the power of your mind aligning your inner and outer worlds. Belief and action work together. What you believe and what you do are closely connected. Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions reinforce your beliefs. To create lasting change in your life, you need to work on both. Start by looking at what you believe is possible for you. Are there limiting beliefs holding you back? Challenge these beliefs. Look for evidence that shows they might not be true. Once you've identified more helpful beliefs, act as if these beliefs are already true. Even if you don't fully believe yet, act as if you do. Take small steps that align with your new beliefs. For example, if you want to believe you're confident, start doing things a confident person would do. Speak up more. Introduce yourself to new people. Take on challenges. The words you use matter. The words you speak have a big impact. They're not just sounds. They express your thoughts and feelings. Every time you speak, you're reinforcing certain beliefs and emotions. This is why it's so important to be careful with the words you use, both when talking to others and in your own mind. Pay attention to the phrases you use often. Do you say things like, "I can't," "It's too hard," or "I'm not good enough"? These might seem harmless, but they're actually programming your mind for failure. Instead, try using more positive language. Replace "I can't" with "I'm learning how to." Instead of "It's too hard," say, "This is challenging, but I can figure it out." Remember, your mind takes your words literally. When you say "I am," followed by anything, you're making a strong statement about who you are. Use this to your advantage. Make positive "I am" statements a regular part of your self-talk. I am capable. I am worthy of love. I am successful. As you consistently use more positive language, you'll notice a change in your feelings and eventually in your life. Being open to new possibilities. One of the biggest things that stops us from getting what we want is fear of the unknown. We often stick to what we know, even if it's not what we want, simply because it's familiar. But being open to new things is essential for growth and change. It's in the unknown where all possibilities exist. Think about it. If you already knew exactly how your dreams would come true, they wouldn't be dreams, they'd be plans. The magic happens when you can hold your desire clearly in your heart while staying open to how it might happen. This requires trust in yourself, in life, in the process of growth. Your growth affects others. As you start to change your inner world, you'll notice changes not just in your own life, but in the lives of those around you. Your personal growth creates a ripple effect that touches everyone you interact with. When you become more positive, more confident, more loving, you inspire others to do the same. This ripple effect works in subtle ways. Maybe your newfound confidence inspires a friend to pursue their dreams. Perhaps your positive outlook helps a family member see their challenges in a new light. Your personal growth becomes a gift, not just to yourself, but to the world around you. Remember this when you face challenges on your journey. Your efforts to change your life are not selfish. They're an act of kindness to the world. By becoming the best version of yourself, you're helping everyone around you. This idea can give you motivation and inspiration when the path feels difficult. Learning about yourself. Using the idea that feeling is the secret is really a journey of learning about yourself. As you explore your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, you'll discover things about yourself you never knew. You'll find strengths you didn't realize you had, and you'll face fears and limitations you might have been avoiding. This journey isn't always easy. There will be times when you face uncomfortable truths about yourself or your life, but each of these moments is a chance to grow. Every challenge you overcome, every limiting belief you let go of, brings you closer to your true self, the powerful, unlimited person you really are. Approach this journey with curiosity and kindness. Be gentle with yourself as you learn and grow. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it might seem. Remember, every step forward, no matter how tiny, is moving you in the direction of your dreams. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.